Creating templates in Basecamp is a powerful way to streamline your project management process, ensure consistency across projects, and save significant time. As a project management expert, I can tell you that repeatability is a cornerstone of efficiency. Every time you kick off a new project that shares a similar structure or set of initial tasks with a previous one, recreating everything from scratch is a huge time sink and an open invitation for forgotten steps. This is where Basecamp's template feature shines. Basecamp is renowned for its simplicity and focus on getting things done without unnecessary complexity. Its approach to templates perfectly aligns with this philosophy. Instead of a dizzying array of options, Basecamp provides a straightforward way to turn your successful project structures into reusable blueprints. Why use templates in Basecamp? Before we dive into the how, let's briefly reinforce the why. Why should a project manager bother creating templates? Consistency. Templates ensure that every new project of a similar type starts with the same foundational elements. This means consistent task lists, standard discussions, and uniform file structures, leading to predictable outcomes. Efficiency and time saving. This is perhaps the biggest benefit. Instead of manually setting up to-do lists, assigning recurring tasks, or drafting initial messages, you can launch a new project pre-populated with everything you need in seconds. Reduced errors and omissions. Human memory is fallible. Templates act as a checklist, ensuring that critical steps, onboarding processes, or standard operating procedures are never forgotten. Improved onboarding. New team members can quickly grasp project structures and expectations when projects follow a consistent template. Scalability. As your organization grows and takes on more projects, templates allow you to scale your operations without a proportional increase in administrative overhead. Best practice capture. Successful project structures and frequently used processes can be codified into templates, effectively capturing and disseminating your organization's best practices. The core concept, project templates. In Basecamp, templates are essentially pre-built projects that you can duplicate to create new, ready-to-go projects. When you create a template, you're building a master version of a project that contains all the elements you want to reuse. How to create a template in Basecamp. A step-by-step guide. Basecamp offers two primary ways to create a template. From an existing project. This is often the most practical method, as you're likely to have a successful project that serves as a good model. From scratch. For entirely new types of projects, or if you prefer to build out your template step-by-step without existing data. Let's walk through both methods. Method 1. Creating a template from an existing project. This is my recommended approach because you're leveraging something that has already worked. Step 1. Choose your source project. Go to a project that you want to turn into a template. Ideally, this project has a well-organized set of to-do lists, standard message board topics you frequently use, any recurring schedules or check-ins, relevant document structures in the Docs and Files section. Crucially, no client-specific or sensitive information. Remember, templates are for structure, not specific data. Remove anything that shouldn't be copied to new projects. Step 2. Access project settings. Once inside your chosen project, look for the 3 dots menu in the top right corner of the project screen. Click on it. Step 3. Select Make a Template from the drop-down menu. You'll see an option labeled Make a Template. Click this. Step 4. Configure your template. Basecamp will then present you with options for what to include in your template. Template name. Give your template a clear and descriptive name, e.g., Client Onboarding Template, Website Redesign Template, New Product Launch. What to copy. This is where you select the specific tools and content you want to include. You can choose to copy to-do lists and their contents, including assignments and due dates, which will be relative to the new project's start date. Message board topics, schedules, docs and files structure, check-ins, team members, if you always have the same core team for this type of project. Relative dates, if your to-do items or schedule events have due dates or specific dates, Basecamp allows you to set them as relative to the new project's start date. For example, if a task is due 5 days after project start, in the template, It will automatically adjust when you create a new project from it. This is a powerful feature for maintaining timelines. Step 5. Create template. Once you've made your selections, click the Create Template button. Basecamp will then create the template, which will appear in your Templates section, accessible from your Basecamp home screen. Method 2. Creating a template from scratch. This method is useful if you're designing a brand new process or don't have an existing project that perfectly fits your template vision. Step 1. Go to your Templates section from your main Basecamp home screen. The Hey page. Look for the Templates option on the left-hand navigation. Click on it. Step 2. Start a new template on the Templates page. You'll see a button that says New Template. Click it. Step 3. Name your template. Give your new template a clear and descriptive name, just as in Method 1. Step 4. Add tools and content. Basecamp will then present you with an empty template structure, similar to a new project. Now you can start adding to-do lists. Create your standard to-do lists with all recurring tasks, subtasks, and descriptions. You can assign these to placeholders if you don't know the exact team members yet, or to specific team members if they are always involved. Message board topics. Draft initial messages or standard discussion topics. Schedule items. Add recurring meetings or key milestones, again using relative dates. Docs and files. Set up a folder structure or include any standard documents, e.g., project charter template, brief template, check-ins. Set up regular check-in questions. Step 5. Refine and review. Just like any project, review your template carefully. Is it comprehensive? Is it easy to understand? Does it reflect your ideal process? Make sure all instructions are clear.